for lunch. Actually, ay, nasundot ko yung tikyan. Update na rin sa aking look at her. May paano ni rectangle flap siya with pop handles.
Strawberry islands, saffron hair,
Ang ganda ng quality.
things that
Sobrang
aren't even there. Plug in a gym jar,
just fun.
oleander.
Wow.
You're making me feel like I'm grasping for air. You say you don't need me.
Hello friends! Happy another day. Happy another day. Tama ba yun? Tama ba yung English ko? I actually just did a quick, actually hindi siya quick, mga 40 minutes din. Cardio session lang. Siguro mamaya na ako mag-a-abs. Today is May 16, 12:37 p.m. I also ate lunch already with Dave. Update na rin sa aking physique. Okay naman, kumain ako ng lunch. I ate beef karubi with lettuce and cheese. So, parang samgyup. And yeah, this is me after eating. Hindi naman super bloated. So, I'm happy. Had to portion control it na lang. Later, I'm gonna be eating either salmon, kasi nag-order ako ng salmon, or yung food from Winnie. Grabe guys, super na-miss ko mag-vlog. Kasi yung last na vlog ko na napanood nyo, parang putol-putol siya kasi super busy with work. Hindi ako masyadong makakoncentrate mag-vlog kasi yung sobrang putol-putol. Like, for example, isang araw, ito lang yung na-vlog ko. Parang ganun. So, today, I'm gonna try to vlog continuously. Tsaka, to be honest, feeling, aray, nasundot ko yung tigyawat ko. Yung spikes dun sa headband, tumama siya sa tigyawat ko. Kasi ang sakit. Nag-vlog na lang ako today kasi may ganap naman tayo. We're gonna be meeting Penelope Pop, si Winnie. I have been a fan of her, honestly. Kung may chance lang na maging ganun yung mindset ko like Winnie. Like, truly, truly idolize her. I've been a fan for years. I love her How to Be Basic series. And alam niyo lang, I have self-reflected so many times because of her, actually. Unfortunately, since this is my work and like so many different factors, hindi ko pa siya magawa. Pero ayun, ina-deliver niya yung bagong product from The Everyday, which is their dinnerware. And then pupunta kaming Trinoma to source mga kitchen organizers and stuff kasi I really do want to make over the kitchen, which can be for another vlog episode. Pero ayun, super happy kasi makakalabas ako. Although, yun lang, mag-source lang kami ng kitchen. And we're planning to get a new dining table kasi the dining table, that was supposed to be for our condo na nalipat dito sa bahay. It didn't work out kasi masyado siyang maliit. So, I'm trying to look for a better dining table. So, yun yung agenda for today. Sorry, hindi na ako naka-update kasi medyo nagmamadali ako kasi 30 minutes na lang. Malapit na ata si Winnie, pero mag-aayos lang muna ako sa baba kasi medyo magulo siya. As in, di ko na ayos yung baba namin, yung living, tsaka yung outside na rin. Ayusin ko lang ng very, very slight. By the way, yung necklace ko, if you guys are wondering, this is from Ordinary and it's super, super cute. Smiley. It's giving me a lot of happiness just by wearing it. And also, ito pa-custom ko sa kanya. Ayan. Ito naman pa-custom ko rin kay Ordinary. Fit check. So, may top is from Zara. Ang weird lang ng straps ito. Parang siyang nagtutwist-twist. Ayan o. Ewan kung kita niyo. Pero super nagtutwist siya. Hindi ko alam bakit. And I'm just wearing some kind of brown trousers. So yeah, that's my outfit for today. Ooh, look what we have for lunch. Actually, nag-lunch na ako, so medyo snack-snack siya. So, salmon to. This is from Salmon HQ. Bumili lang ako ng salmon platter. Tapos, ito naman guys, salmon nigiri. Kasi favorite namin talaga yung from Genki Sushi. Alam niyo naman. Pero this one looks super good too. Try ko yung salmon nigiri. Obviously, it's not the same as Genki, pero pala na. Masarap naman. Fresh salmon. Let's try the salmon. In fairness, thick yung slices niya, guys. Hindi mo type yung ano?
Okay lang. Hindi ko type.
Hindi mo type. Guys, just waiting for Winnie. Sabi niya mga 10 minutes na lang daw. And grabe, sobrang fan kasi talaga ako. As in, ito nga pala yung dining table ko. I love the legs. Super love the legs. Supposed to be for our condo yan. Pero hindi talaga siya, it's not the best. Also, yung dining chairs. Also the dining chairs for the condo yan. So, di ko pa sure kung anong gagawin ko, kung ibebenta ko or what's up. Maganda kasi talaga yung design, as in very me. Pero function-wise, parang nakukulangan ako sa kanya kasi what if may bisita. Kulang yung space. Eh, mahilig pa naman kami kumain. Alam niyo yun. Okay guys, susunduin na namin si Winnie. Where is she? Hello there! Hi!
And then we have our
Look at that,
everyday
guys.
set. Obviously,
Yay!
there's more than one. It's just for show.
Tapos na yung aming visit session with Winnie. And grabe, sobrang ganda niya. As in, super ganda niya. We
Parang
love her.
doll.
Yeah, para siyang doll. As in, sobrang bawis ko. Like, mukha akong haggard. Sabi ni King, mukha siyang trash bag beside Winnie. Hindi na ako mag-fangirl sa mga fellow YouTubers kasi syempre friendly naman ako. Pero, grabe talaga na. As in, we love Winnie. Hey, paano tayo? Pagando. May Q&A portion kami doon, guys. Sobrang nabobo ko. Kala ko, may question siya doon. Anong cuisine yung hindi Filipino? Tapos, parang arroz caldo. Sabi ko siya, arroz caldo? Hala, baka galing Spain yung The girl just got mental blocked. Tapos buti lang si King sinagot niya kaya we got everything correct. Nakita ko guys yung mga pinadala ni Winnie. So first we have Tantan Men Ramen. This one looks so nice. Ang alam nyo, parang sila ata nag-drawing pa nito. Like, kinustom illustration pa. So this is Ramen Ron PH. Dito ako na-curious kung paano siya pinak. Made nice na tossed salad and burger. O diba, like, hindi ko alam kung paano na pinak yan. Tapos meron din bread and butter. We also have some pasta. This is from Mamu. There you go. Thank you so much, you guys. The most exciting thing is the everyday dinnerware. As in, sobrang kinikilig ako. Like, cute. Super ganda ng branding. So, ayan. Marami siyang mga iba't ibang colors. We chose the color butter kasi yun yung medyo bagay sa theme ng house. Ay, ang ganda. Oh my God, ang ganda in fair. Ang laki. It feels really nice, guys, kasi in high-end quality. Ito yung parang bowl na pwede maglagay ng soup. Obviously, like a bowl like that. For everything, you get 5 pieces. It's only 1795. Okay siya.
Oh,
197, 1795. It's super high quality. Super cute no, ano? Aliit lang. Hawakan. Ang ganda no? Perfect for your coffee. This super gorgeous plate.
Hindi ako nakapag-selfie sa kanya.
Ay, oo nga! Sayang, hindi tayo nakapag na-starstruck nga eh. But this one to go with your mug or like also can be for desserts. This one's great for salads or pasta, yeah. So the dishes don't spill over. Ang ganda ng quality.
Meron pa siyang everyday logo sa ilalim. Oh!
So nice. I'm getting ready kasi mag-mall kami. So, ito yung gagamitin ko bag ngayon. Hindi ko pa ito napapakita actually. But this is from Chanel. Bago ko mag-luxury shopping ban, ito na po yung aking binili. Di ko na rin siya na birthday haul. Pero let me know if you want a more in-depth video about this. This is a Chanel from their 21S collection. Mini rectangle flap siya with top handle. Super nice niya. Ang ganda niya. And medyo beige siya. Hindi siya puting-puti. It's tiny and I feel like it's gonna match also with my outfit today. So, alam niyo ba, hindi na ako masyado nag-wallet. Ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. Tapos, okay na ako. Favorite chocolate bar, pero hindi naman ako masyadong gutom. Lip balm. Kasi sobrang dry. Ito isa sa mga lip balms na, in fairness, may effect sa akin. Kasi usually kapag ganito kakadry yung labi, ang hirap. Pero this one, Laneige na lip glowy balm. I'll try to link it for you guys. This one's super effective for me. Ito lang yung laman ng bag. Hindi madami malalagay nito. Pero okay na siya for mga errands. Still in my outfit earlier. And yeah. Ito na naman tayo. Strap, sobrang, ang weird ng strap talaga nitong Zara top na to. I mean, I like the top itself, pero the strap is just annoying me. By the way, this is a gray mask that I'm wearing. Ito yung suot ko din kanina. I got this from Shopee also, and it's really affordable. Meron din siyang beige. Favorite ko itong mga masks na to. I should be buying more. Okay, totoo na talaga to. I'm ready. Here na sa mall, and since it's a Sunday, medyo madaming tao. As in, so medyo staying close lang kami, hindi kami masyadong gagalaw. Oh, cute for the room. Ito yung ano natin before.
Oh my God, oo nga!
Yung mga sleek, ito yung ginagamit namin and I would highly recommend yung Fika pants kasi ganda ng Fika kahit na anong-ano mo, hindi siya nasisira. Ito, umiitim siya guys. Good mirror. Just masyado lang ako. Ito yung atin eh.
Diba?
Bili na lang ako yung 4.
Bakit na natin?
Sige, huwag na daw.
Diba?
Oh, wag na daw. Wag na daw. Yung shopaholic self ko pa gusto bumili pero. This one. Ito yung isa sa mga gusto ko bilhin.
Meron din.
Hindi ito eh. mag-cellphone na parang ilang oras ka na mag-cellphone, hindi ka na babangon, slow babangon ka, 11 na, akala mo gumising ka na maaga, pero 11 na kabangon mo. Okay, tama na. Kanina pa ako nandito sa bed. Like, this has to stop. Tuloy-tuloy na ang workout. Oh, by the way guys, week 2 ko na pala dun sa program. Thank you also sa feedback dun sa last vlog ko. It truly means a lot to me. I posted that na parang I was struggling because I do know na hindi lang naman ako yung ganun. Eh, baka some of you guys feeling demotivated. Yung parang mabilis din sumuko just because hindi maka-workout or like, di na tayo magawa yung specific workout. And I'm just here to tell you that you're not alone. I also experienced the same. Keep going. Keep going. Keep pushing through.
Gabi naman to? Dang! Nandito naman ako!
Yeah. Kita-kita kung gano'ng kasama ang ugali ng demonyo.
Demonari.
Ano ba?
Basta sama ka, Betcha. Dito ba ako hinihilaan mo akong kumot?
Oh, make the bed ah.
Hindi na kayo
Pero
wait
naman
ko.
kami bukol pa. Sabi ko make the bed, sino may bukol? Ba yan? Inaboy lalo. Ay, ang ganda na. Inayos na.
Oo.
Kaya tingnan mo naman, nagko-collect din siya ng mga mga floss. Galing. Tipid din.
nagko-collect ako?
Yup.
Hindi ka tinatapon.
Floss.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, grabe, share ko lang. Lumabas na yung Happy Skin campaign. Grabe, ako ba to? Yes! Grabe, nakaka-proud.
Hey guys, Tony here. Super excited to share with you guys the newest product from Generation Happy Skin. The Pretty Easy Soft Touch Eyeshadows comes in 4 shades, super pigmented guys, and of course multi-use. You can swipe up to get yours.
Oh, still can't believe it. Like, it's so surreal. Ayoko makapaniwala talaga. Like, look at me and then look at her. I was able to do that, so... Oh my gosh, nakakatawa si Dave. As in, tumawag siya sa akin. Tapos sabi niya, pagbukas ng pinto sa baba, tapos pagdungaw namin, bagong gupit si Kuya.
Okay.
Pogi, oh! Ang pogi. Kaya pala nagpakita ka talaga sa akin para makita ng mga tao na pogi ka, ah.
Hindi ah. Hi guys, 80 pesos lang to.
Wow! Talaga?
Oo.
Ano, beto naman?
Oh, mas okay naman.
Nagawa niya.
Oo, okay naman. Tapos makikita niyo, clipping dito. Clipping niya. Ganun. Okay, pagkaya ulit. Ganun.
Si Dave kasi guys, as in super ano siya, kulipot. Pero okay lang, in a good way naman. Like, di ba nung nagpa-haircut din ako? Nagpa-haircut din siya before sa Korean salon. Although, nice yun. Mukhang bruha. Nice yun, pero mahal siya 800 for men. So,
For me, mahal na siguro. For you, siguro, ano lang yan, cheap.
Grabe naman, mahal din yun for men's haircut. No, kala mo sa
Joke lang.
So, nagpagupit siya, 80 pesos lang. And in fairness, ang ganda naman ng gupit sa kanya. Good job. Love you.
Hindi mo pero ka. Paggabi, i-stop ko yung YouTube mo.
Stop mo?
Oo.
Thank you, My ever supportive, the best boyfriend ever. Lagi na lang kapag may photoshoots ako, sinasamahan niya ako, never siya nagreklamo. Alam niyo guys, honestly, ito si Dave. Ayoko lang siyang masyado i-flatter, pero lagi pag may photoshoots ako, lagi siyang nandyan. I love him. Next time check, it's about 7 plus. Uy, King, di ba dapat mag-reading ano tayo? Reading session.
Di ba manonood tayo ng movie, Angelica?
Mag-read na lang tayo. Para iba naman.
Ikaw nag-advise sa akin manood ng ano, tapos di mo natapos na hype ka.
So, may dumating na package. So, susunduin ko lang sa baba. Susunduin? Kala mo naman, ano. Teka lang. Ah! So, a package arrived. Oh my, saan? Wait, ang weird. Walang package. Okay, pakala ko saan yung package. Thank you. The package is here. This came straight from the US. Pinasabay ko lang to sa auntie ko, si Auntie Cynthia. Okay, this bag is gonna be my last luxury purchase. Tapos yung next sa Pasko na or baka next year na. I got something from The Real Real and sa taas na natin siya buksan. I-unbox ko to. Although wala siyang box, i-unpack natin tong bag na to. Okay friends, let's do an unboxing / unpacking. So, again, this one I got from The Real Real sa States. A month or 2 yung hinintay ko dito and actually, share ko lang. When I was buying this bag, kasabay ko si King Z doon. Like, pumipili kami sa selection, may mga 6 akong bags na nasa car. Tapos, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko kasi very unique. Tsaka like, I don't know, parang it just spoke to me.
Sabay.
Masabay tayo. Ay, nakita ko na! Nakita niyo ako! So, meron siyang yung mga receipts, ganyan, from The Real Real. Wala lang siyang box, guys, but here. Oh, wow!
She looks kind of dark in person.
Oh my gosh! Ang ganda niya! I love it! It's a canvas bag, hindi siya leather, guys, by the way. Pero, it's a vintage Chanel bag. Again, may Japan! Oh my gosh, ang ganda
From
pa
Japan
ng
ba siya?
ano. Wow, this looks so, like, almost brand new. I'm not even gonna...
From Japan ba siya?
Hindi. Yung amoy lang niya, amoy Japan. But guys, this is the bag.
Ay, ang cute.
Ang cute. Ang cute niya, guys. Ang nice niya. So, ito siya, vintage Chanel. Parang walang gamit, I swear.
Parang hindi siya na-enjoy nung
Hindi siya in-enjoy. So, ako mag-enjoy talaga. So, this is the bag up close. It's another flap bag. Smooth din yung closure niya. And by the way, kapag bumili ka sa The Real Real, ino-authenticate naman nila yung mga items. And then, in fairness, meron sila mga puffies na kasama. And, yay, a dust bag. Yung strap niya, pang ganito lang siya, guys.
Hindi siya bagay as crossbody.
Oo, tama. Pang ano lang siya, baguette style. Parang ginamit lang ng less than 5 times. Even pa mismong Chanel logo, super smooth. This is the Kilted East-West Jersey flap bag. Ayan. And I really, really like it. It's super nice. Oh, it's very me as well. I cannot...